I am so glad that I start this journey again, and this time I'm hoping to stick with it. This is why we need to inspire each other, and so we can do the right thing. Eating healthy is not a bad thing; it's a good thing. This is not an easy journey. Maybe for some it is, but it's not easy. But when you have a support system, feel more at ease to do the thing that you want to do. Like when you guys are watching my video, then comment and give me the good feedback. It makes me feel good. You guys are encouraging me to continue doing what I'm doing, and I feel good about that. Thank you so much. We need to support each other. That's just the way I see it, and it's a great thing. Do you have a favorite vegetable or a favorite fruit or maybe both? Which one? Comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite vegetable or what is your favorite fruit or maybe what is both. If you have a favorite of both, if you like both vegetables and fruit, what is it? Me, I don't know. I love all vegetables. I'm not gonna say all vegetables. What you see, I like them. So, but for fruits, I love oranges, strawberries, kiwi. There are so many pineapple. Well, for pineapple, I only like pineapple when it's blended. Pineapple juice, make a juice out of it. I cannot eat pineapple just like that. It mess up my taste bud. Forget it. I cannot eat pineapple just like that. But comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite vegetables or your favorite fruits. I want to know. And please let me know where are you watching from. I know you guys are watching from somewhere, but I would like to know where are you guys watching my video because I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Now we're starting with our fish. Very simple. This is frozen fish, of course. Um, catfish fillet. It's very good. I like them. I ate them before and just really good. Easy to clean. I use vinegar and then lemon. I didn't have any lime. I like to use lime, but I didn't have any. But still good. I make sure that I wash them. I'm gonna smell the fishy smell, and that's it. I'm gonna season it and then I make sure that I wash everything right after, so that way I don't have to leave everything for later. I make sure I wash and I clean, get rid of the smell, fishy smell, and have a clean spot to cook, to continue to cook. Yeah. This is one of the many ways that I season my fish. I'm gonna put it in the oven instead of doing it on the stove top. I want to do it as a stew fish. This is why I'm seasoning it just like that. It's really good. I like it, and we love it here. We love all of the stew fish. I mean, it's good. It's really good. So it's pretty easy. You just season it with whatever season that you want, and there you have it. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. So yummy. See what I mean? Healthy is not boring at all. It's not. Look at all these colors. And check out this fish. Oh, I can't wait. Y'all know I have to get cute. Saying grace. Snapshot. Yeah. And a little selfie. Oh yeah, check this out. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Remember, healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step worth celebrating. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join this beautiful community of health and happiness. Until next time, keep shining.